Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use OBS virtual camera on Omtetv. Right, so if you want to do this, first of all you have to just refresh this page here, and let me just show you from where you can set this up. So let me just make my window smaller here. Now you will get this kind of icon here always in this place. Right now you will get this option to turn on your camera, but here we don't have to turn on the camera. That's why you can see here it is written, right, you have denied access to device. So what we have to do, we have to just go to site setting here. Now then we have to look for the camera option, right? So here you can also go here. So site setting will look like this. Once again I will just go and click on here, site setting. Now here we have to just, you can see this camera. Now here I have to allow this. Now once I allow this, if I just go back here, you will see this option of reload option right now. Now while reloading, as you can see here, we are getting, now once I go and click here, I have this camera option. Now I'll click on this arrow icon, then I will just go and click on manage. Now here I'm using a normal camera, but here this is my OBS and I'm recording this right up, right? So now I will change my camera to OBS, and now once I've changed this automatically, you have to do nothing. Automatically here the camera will get changed. So this is how you can do it. This is really interesting and simple. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.